I was at the peak of my career and I fell apart. I rebuilt it into something stronger. Anxiety, panic, stress, it's not worth it. It would be easy for me to just give you a step-by-step formula of exactly how to make six figures. But once again, I'm here to show you a stress-free six figures. That's the magic.
What's up, guys? I'm so excited to be in Atlanta, Georgia today, talking to an ambitious group of hairstylists ready to make changes in the industry. I'm walking them through how to earn six figures stress-free. So why don't you come along and see what the day is all about.
Earn six figures stress-free. You excited? Yeah. Opportunity doesn't always present itself. Sometimes you have to go chase it. And so I want you guys to remember that. Be stubborn about your goals, but flexible in your approach. The one thing I do know is that growth is uncomfortable. Can you guys all commit today to getting a little uncomfortable together? I hate the word hustle. Isn't it more impressive to be making good money and have balance? Because you matter, your business matters, and then you can take care of people for the long haul. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I'm in this industry not just to do great hair, but to care for amazing people. I want you guys to start remembering, have grace with yourself when you try new things. Allow yourself to suck at something completely. And know that you can be creative with your business and how you want it to do. Just because no one else has done it doesn't mean you can't. Thank you guys for having me here today. It was amazing to get to know you. Please DM me, come chat with me, whatever. I want to help make you more successful.